Hello, and welcome to my screencast on PebbleGo. PebbleGo is a database that contains tons of information on many different subjects. What I'm going to do is show you how to navigate PebbleGo. So let's say I have a research project where I have to research wolves. There are a couple of ways I can do this. One way is by moving my mouse up to the search bar and clicking. I will then type in the subject I would like to learn more about. I'm learning about wolves, so I will click wolves. It will then take me directly to the page where I can then learn about wolves. The other way I can do this is if I go back home by clicking PebbleGo. I know that wolves are animals. I know that they are mammals, and as you can see, the website will read to you. And then I know that they live in woodlands, so I will click woodland, and then I will scroll down to where I see wolves. And I am on that page. So that is how you navigate the categories. Something that's also very nice about PebbleGo is if you click a speaker,
wolves are mammals.
It will read to you and it will also highlight the words. Next, if you see a word that is underlined, you can click it and it will actually tell you what that word means. And once again, if you see that speaker,
mammal. A warm-blooded animal that
it will read to you and also highlight the words as it reads. Each tab at the top, if you hover over it and click it, it will read to you. Each tab tells you what that tab is going to be covering about the topic. Each tab in each category will be different. Next, if I go over to where it says fun facts, I'll learn some interesting information about whatever topic I'm reading. I can print about the topic I'm reading. I can learn media. I can watch videos. I can listen to what the wolf sounds like. If I click this map, I can see where they're from. So let's see what happens when I click video. This comes up. If I click play, it'll tell me. Last thing I can do is I can click read more and it'll give me articles that are similar to the one I'm reading. If I would like to go back after making a selection, if I go to the top, I can go up here where it shows the different categories I click through, and if I click any category that's up here, it will take me back to the home page of that specific category. And that is the general idea of how to use PebbleGo.